I guess the ultimate question now is,
will it shred?
let's find out. Guys, welcome back to the Working Class Musician YouTube channel. Today, I did something that makes me actually hate myself. I know what you're thinking. No, I did not talk politics on some sort of social media platform. I didn't do anything that bad. I've talked so much smack about these guitars in the past. I think they're garbage. They're absolute garbage. I have to just see for myself if it has any potential whatsoever to work. I have the box right here. I haven't even unboxed it yet. We're doing the live unboxing right now. Here it is. It's this little thing. It's this little stupid thing. Apparently there's a guitar, a case, an amp, and cables in here. It's all garbage. That's the idea, is that I'm making this mistake so you don't have to. I'm gonna show you what a mistake this is. So I'm gonna read off to you exactly which one I ordered, okay? This out of 1,760 reviews, which I think some of them are garbage, check FakeSpot before you ever do that, has 4 stars, and it says best choice products, 30-inch kids electric guitar, beginner starter kit with 5-watt amplifier, strap, case, strings, picks, red. That's this thing. There's your case. This is probably your amplifier of some sort. There's your little amplifier. Isn't it cute? Here we go, moment of truth. It's not that light, which leads me to believe that something is okay. Ew. Let's tune it up and see what happens, okay? I'm going to plug this into the highest priced amp that I possibly have. Let's get it all tuned up. I still think that if you're gonna go with anything, you should go with something bigger, something realer. The Squier Strat Mini 100% of the time will be a better instrument than this. Here's your Amazon bestseller. Riveting. But let's see if you can make any sound with it. That'll be fun. We're already out of tune again. Good. So far, so good. So far, so good. I guess the ultimate question now is,
will it shred?
let's find out. Thank you so much as always for watching this. This is the Working Class Musician YouTube channel. I am Jimmy Franklin. I think my mind has changed. I think I'm pleasantly surprised. All you need is a little tender loving care with these things and just to be careful with them. I have not modified this guitar in any way, shape, or form. It came out of the box here. This is just my first impressions. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to increase your chances of winning my orange Terror stamp that we are giving away at 3,000 subscribers, and we are almost there, guys.